Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, March 26, 2024. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlestick, so every of these rectangles is a one trading day. What do we have here? Well, it's straight on visible that we got a very nice breakout. First, above the short-term trendline resistance after the bullish engulfing pattern has been made roughly around the level of 60,985. That was the swing low. Then we have the breakout, we have the test of the trendline and the lift off higher. Maybe this day will be the fourth day in a row, which will end up as a green candle, as an up day, basically. So, what is the next target? The next target is all-time high. 73,550. This is the next target for the bulls. Eventually, if we break above this all-time high, then the next target is a little bit higher, harder to target, because it will be a psychological level, and the psychological level is most likely the round number of $80,000 or tethers. So this is the next target eventually when we break above the all-time high. It looks like the 100 and 200 periods moving average are still far away from the current price levels, even from our, let's say, local technical support. Yes, 69,000 and 60,985 tethers, of course. So this is the technical support. One more very important level is located here, 59,258. So we got this very thick zone of the demand, and every dip towards this zone might result in buying the dip by the bulls. So what's going on with the momentum? Let's take a look at the awesome oscillator. There you go. We can clearly see that on the awesome oscillator we got the resumption of the momentum. Two very nice green bars are being made right now on the chart. So it looks like the momentum is picking up again on the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin, and the RSI is moving higher as well. Currently is roughly around the level of 60 points, which means that the momentum is positive, momentum is strong. We need a breakout to the upside here towards the level of 70, and there is a room to the upside here. There is a room to the upside on the chart as well. The divergence has been resolved already. The negative divergence has been resolved already. We dipped towards 46 points. We dipped again towards the level of 50. Now the market is ready to resume the up movement. Again, as you can see, this momentum is the biggest momentum during the whole movement to the upside. So it looks like the uptrend is intact. The uptrend is still being continued on the Bitcoin market, and we should see higher levels of the Bitcoin very, very soon. Only a sustained breakout below the lows of the 60,985 or 59,258 might change the overall outlook to more negative, and in that situation we would have to assume that this movement to the downside here was the wave A, that was the wave B, and wave C would be then in progress. However, for now, we assume that the ABC corrective pattern has been completed at the level of 60,985, and the market is ready to move higher again, move towards the level of all-time high, last all-time high, 73,550, and psychological level of 80,000 tethers. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.